We have again silicone rubber part A. We have already taken two parts in this with this same cup, but we have taken two portions. This is almost through now, very little is left. And same thing we will do with this. We will take two parts of B part of silicone and we are pouring it in a cup. We have to be really careful. Really, this can spill, create a big mess. So we have to be careful while we are doing this. Nobody should be around and they should be big enough to understand. Should not do around small children or anything gadbad ghotala wala mamla. You should not do it that time. It should be very peaceful hour. This is again part 2 I'm pouring. You can see almost this bottle is emptied. So twice we took 2 cups. Twice. Because we are emptying the bottle, I'm holding on for a while. Here it goes. Inside first. With very steady hands, okay? My hand was slightly shaking as I was holding it for quite some time. Make sure you take it out. I should do it with spoon, right? Not with hands. And if you are doing on a very large scale, you should have gloves also. Okay? As I told you, we are trying to make a collective kind of a mold, which means we have got many articles here which are placed in this, and these are all casting shapes. Casting powder I have used to, and I've used a soap mold and I have made all these shapes. Okay, these are well arranged, not any part is excessively left around. I'm going to add yellow and brown color to this now. Brown I will use less. This is brown color. Can you see? Light is too much, is it? But it is brown color. I'm gonna put 2-3 drops because I don't want too much brown, but I want little bit of yellow and little bit of orange color to it. This is a yellow color. You can see 2-3 drops of yellow color. I want more of a lemony color to this, and a bit of orange. This is orange color. I don't know how much you can see. It's orange color. I'm going to put 1 or 2 drops of orange in this, and I will want some fragrance also. I'm using some other fragrance I can possibly. And this is rose. I should have used rose actually, right? I made that mistake because I have decided to use this last moment. All of a sudden, not planned. Just to make my molds are little interesting, a little fragrant. to use, because it has a slight, it has actually, it is odorless, but I'm mixing this vigorously. I'm trying to get all the silicone out from this. I'll use the spatula. This is ice cream stick to get the silicone out. And these small cups are also useful if you keep it washed. And in fact, you need to first of all use your tissue paper to, as much as you can take out first of all with the stick, then with the tissue paper. If you don't want to throw it, you can use it because it has a shape. So if you put casting inside of this cups, no, it takes the shape of that. And if you have an article inside, then it outer shape is of this cup, and whatever shape the article has, so it is a double benefit. I had used this for the second or third time. So now I'm whisking this. I'm trying to get some from this also. I'm sure it's there inside. It is there. Whatever part is left out. As much as I can try and get, I'm taking it out because it's a waste, no, right? It stays inside this container, and we throw the container. Right, last time I had cut it open to check if there is anything, if there was, now I will do it this time also. I will go inside and cut it open, and I will get whatever is left out with the spatula, because there was a little bit of it there and it just goes waste. Silicone is quite costly. This container both together cost me around 600 rupees, and of course the molds are costlier, 300, 250, 300, 400, like that, the value of the mold. So if you make your own molds, it's good, but then again, if you have a small budget, then at least 6 to 700 is on this much silicone that I'm using, as much time I have used. And this cup is a moderate cold drink cup, not less, not more, moderate for adults, not for the small children that we pour cold drink to, kids party and all that. It's bigger than that. I'll tell you exactly, 250 grams it is. This is 250 grams. I don't know if you can see. It's not quite clear, but it is 250 grams. Same way, this is 250 grams. So together it is 500 grams. That's half kg. I'm going to really cut this open. Last time also I had done it and I checked, and there was little bit of silicone and hardener that was stuck below, and which I used, of course. Now I'm going to whisk this. Be careful that suddenly the glass doesn't spill or something. It will be a very, very, very sticky, messy affair. You would choose to buy a mold instead of having this spilled all over your house and your carpets and your clothes or any stuff which is around. So I'm quite attentive that nobody comes inside whilst I'm filming, of my family members. And I have told them I'm video shooting, so they are also careful that because if this spills, it is really, really, really sticky and messy affair. As I said, I made a mistake, and this rose now is actually not giving a good smell in this. I'm going to add a lavender color to lavender essence to this. These essence are actually not needed to make mold, but your mold is going to be fragrant, I suppose. So it will stick to the, because this is the rubbery affair whole thing is, so actually it doesn't make sense. But since you're a feminine figure, you love good smells around, and if you're working, I put lavender in this now, which is instantly smelling now very well, that too. I hope this doesn't fall short because I don't have additional one, and I thought it will be sufficient enough. This is a collective mold which I'm going to show, which means what, which means the mold is going to be over all these articles. Okay, so I don't want it to fall short. It is a thin, but layer is very thin as compared to the bigger ones I made today that were like quite good height. And now I can't pour it immediately. I should whisk it properly, very, very well, like so. And now let me just adjust the camera so that you can see how it is going through this, because I have a little doubt that it should not be less, Hope so. God bless. I'm starting to spill it all over the top of everything, because it should be in the sides also, not just between the articles. It should be all over. So sides also, and then of course on the top. I think it will not fall small, short or anything. It will be very, very enough. Now I'm sure it will not be less, very sure, because it would have been a problem. But it is, layer is very small, tiny, not bottom level. It is at least 1 centimeter from the bottom, every article, at least 1 centimeter. But I was doing it for the first time, so I will know how many glasses I use for this much of silicone, because silicone molds I have bought few. Out of that few ones, is better to buy from outside, because as much as silicone you will want to waste it. But if you have a large order or something, I mean, so many silicone molds, how we will make? Otherwise, you have to really make the molds, and for that, so much silicone you get on the wholesale also. Then you have to keep at least 1 month making silicone molds only, first place. Then it will be yours. It will be your investment for sure. Then in your free times when you don't have orders, but you are sure to get orders, you know how you are doing. So on that basis, you can make your own investment in what molds you want. Be selective about the shapes that you are choosing. Okay, and then this is done, and this cup I'm going to throw along with this sticker. It's of no use. This cup don't need to wash and keep and all that, unless you have some other motives. Now I have to see it's evenly spread all over the articles, nowhere less and nowhere more. And I have to tap the articles, make sure every article is separated from the other. Nobody's, because of mold or the silicone, climbed over each other. They have enough space, and it's more, and if it is not, I'm thinking of moving this particular article to the corner, because corner portion is slightly uh, less tall, it's tiny, and center, it has more silicone that side. I have to make sure that this gets dipped very well. It is like not dipping very well, otherwise I will move it and keep it in this silicone cup. I'm thinking that's going to be the problem, so I'm moving from there, trying to keep it ulta. Maybe that way it will work. If it works, is good. I need little bit of silicone, which is little bit falling short there. I need to really use all my silicone, otherwise it will go waste in the bottles also. I have to make sure everything is under cover, nothing is more or slanting.